So my name is Jess. I am the Operations Director at Convey Law. So my role on a day-to-day basis is looking after our background teams, so our administration departments who support our conveyancers.
Hi, I'm Nikki Fuller. I've worked at Convey Law for 16 years next month, and I was promoted to the Board of Directors in 2019.
My name is Laura Burkinshaw. I am one of the legal directors in Convey Law.
I am Sophia Ramzan, Training Director at Convey Law and Head of the In-House Training Academy. I am responsible for assessing and directing employee training. International
Women's Day means a lot to me. A lot of the previous generations really struggled to get into positions of even managerial. But to get to a director's position, I actually became a director at 29.
International Women's Day means to me a day to celebrate women, a day to celebrate diversity, and to recognise women's achievements in their everyday lives.
I think it's very much a celebration of all women in our lives, both from a work perspective and our personal lives as well.
A chance to celebrate the huge steps that our ancestors made towards creating a gender equal world.
The different ways to stay grounded and to take care of myself or yourselves. I think it is important to practice gratitude and to appreciate life's simple pleasures.
You're always going to hit some barriers, and we need to learn to deal with those barriers as we come to them.
I think that there is very much a stigma at times that because I might be younger in age, that I wouldn't be capable of doing the job or being able to deliver something, really exceptional. The proof's in the pudding, so to say, and what I am able to achieve on a daily basis is, I've been able to break down any of those barriers and kind of really prove to others, but maybe more myself and my own doubts, that I am capable.
Building confidence over the course of my career is quite a difficult one for me, as I've never been a confident person and still now, despite my experience, lack confidence. But I think being taught by the best in the industry, Lloyd, Phil and Gareth, has been the biggest confidence builder for me.
The major difficulty and barrier which I did overcome was losing my father during my final year law exams. I wasn't sure if I was ever going to finish my final year. Fortunately, I found the courage to continue with my degree and reach this milestone within my career.
My most proud achievement would obviously have to be my children. They're amazing. But in my work environment, the thing that I am most proud of is becoming a member of the Society of Licensed Conveyancers.
My proudest achievement would have to be my children, but work-wise, qualifying for me as a fellow with Silex, working and having a busy caseload, and also personal circumstances, getting married around about the same time was really difficult, and that's made me really proud of being able to get through that.
Without a doubt, my most proudest achievement would be to become a qualified lawyer and become appointed as a director at Convey Law.
How I would encourage women not to give up would be very much around positivity. It's being able to find resilience in your day, and I think that very much also finding your why.
The most important piece of advice I've been given was actually last year. Believe in yourself. You are much better than you think you are. And that meant the world to me and will always, always stick with me.
Never put off until tomorrow what you can do today.
The president of the Law Society once stated, "I want to leave the profession more diverse and inclusive than the one I entered." Ultimately, a diverse and inclusive legal profession is vital to ensure that we lawyers reflect the communities that we build. So let's do all we can to build one.
I would say that nothing in life worth having comes easy, so don't doubt yourself, work hard and don't give up, and you will be successful.
If I could have dinner with 3 inspirational women, I find that the people that inspire me are the people that I'm closest to and that I spend my day-to-day with. They're my colleagues, they're my friends and they're my family.
I think if I had to have dinner with 3 inspirational women, for me it would have to be Marie Curie, Malala Yousafzai, and finally it would be Oprah Winfrey.
At Convey Law, we support each other by listening, by helping, sometimes just sitting with a cup of coffee and a piece of cake. Convey Law has a large amount of women, and it's really nice to see that it's very supportive.
So how we could support women, you know, making sure that we celebrate our successes together, learning from each other in all different ways. And I think that that also goes through learning through our mistakes and our faults.
There's so many people who are willing to put you down, and it takes a much stronger woman to be able to provide a positive help to someone.
For many women, there is so much that can hold them back from fulfilling their careers, and many women do face a lot of challenges. Don't let situations hold you back, because things will always work out, whether it's on the professional side or the personal side.